Federal Fusion 300 Blackout, roughly about 75 yards. Doing the flour deep penetration or deep flour penetration, where we're hitting the bag of flour, getting it to expand, and seeing how far it'll drill into the 2x6s behind it.
All right, here we go. We got the 300 Blackout Federal Fusion that we did the deep flour expansion with, 150 grain. All right, and the size of the hole after expansion on the first board is 0.72. That's phenomenal. My finger. All right, coming out, going in pretty strong. So we're in the 2, going in, and there you are, right there. And there, actually, you can see the bullet in there. So we got it after expanding at 75 yards. We punched the first board and clean pass through, splitting up. See if we can give you all a little bit of look of what, there we go, what it looks like going on in there. And then we have the third board. So there you go, it went in, passed through 2, so roughly 2.5 boards is what we got. All right, here you go. As you can see, we got a little bit of tumble going on in there. All right, here we go. As you can see, the bullet pretty much after expansion held its shape. It didn't break up much at all. So that is, if any, to be honest with you, that's nice. There, widest to widest, 0.54. And let me try to do the other side. 47. And top to bottom, how much did it smoosh it? 0.59. There we go. Looking through the camera and doing this is a little bit different. All right, we're at 142.4 grains left. So, hitting the flour, the bullet went from this, expanded, mushroomed out, and did that. Not bad. Going into 2 boards and getting lodged about halfway into the third. So 2.5 is what we got. That is not bad at all for the Federal Fusion. Right there, that is these right here. Definitely deer slayer.